Have you heard of a repair cafe? It's more than just fixing things, it's a movement. And in Malaysia, starting a repair cafe business could be your next big opportunity. A repair cafe is a community space where people bring everyday items, like appliances, clothing, or gadgets, to be repaired instead of thrown away. This reduces waste, saves money, and promotes sustainability. To start your repair cafe business in Malaysia, you'll need to register your company with the Companies Commission of Malaysia, SSM, secure the right permits, and find a suitable location. The goal is to combine repair services with a social cafe experience, creating a hub where people connect, learn, and collaborate. With the rise of sustainable living and circular economy practices, Malaysians are embracing green initiatives. Offering repair services alongside coffee and snacks not only helps the environment, but also builds a loyal customer base. At 3E Accounting Malaysia, we provide expert business incorporation, licensing, and advisory services to help you turn your repair cafe idea into a thriving reality. Visit 3E Accounting Malaysia today and let's build a sustainable future together.